Are you spending hours struggling to get it level and straight? Are you tired of making hole after hole and still finding that it isn't perfect? So many mistakes. You made a mess and your wall is a disaster. You don't need to struggle. There is a better way. Introducing the HANDZ Laser Level and Drill Mate. It is a laser level, drill guide and dust collector all in one easy-to-use, powerful, battery-operated drill mate. It helps you to pre-mark and drill holes to make installations that are perfectly straight, and it attaches to any smooth, clean surface. It is very easy to use. Adjust the drill mate until the bubble is in the middle, which indicates that the angle is straight. Then easily click the power button on to switch on its laser line and attach it to any clean wall or ceiling. Its mechanism will create a powerful suction that holds HANDZ Laser Level and Drill Mate firmly to any smooth, clean surface. There you go. With the drill mate, you'll always have a straight line to help you calculate where your perfect drill holes should go. The drill mate helps you keep a tidy workspace. It has a special compartment that collects dust while you drill. With HANDZ Laser Level and Drill Mate, you'll make quick work of all your installations, hang curtains without a problem, and easily decorate any room in your house with ease.
Making sure everything is even and straight is easy with HANDZ Laser Level and Drill Mate.
Call Global Shop Direct or go online now to order the HANDZ Laser Level and Drill Mate for the low price on your screen. See for yourself how the drill mate will change the way you tackle drilling holes, hang decorative items, as well as build and install your DIY projects. You'll love drilling and aligning your projects with absolute confidence and precision. But if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back within 30 days for a full refund of the product price. Never drill in the wrong place again. Order your HANDZ Laser Level and Drill Mate now.